Hey, hello there, my friend. My name is Makir. If you're watching this video, that's mean you are searching for how to sell other people products online. Well, it's really not that easy if you don't know what you're doing. But if you know exactly what you do, you will really succeed on selling other people products online. And on this training, I'm going to show you exactly the three things that you really need to know and learn so that you can be successfully selling other people products online and building your own successful business online. These things are: number one, the product. The product that you're selling, you really need to make sure it is a good, really good product, a product that you can sell to people you know, not just sell to anybody, a product that you trust, a product that you have tested yourself and made sure that it's a really good product and is serving people or providing the results that people are looking for. Number two, you have to have a landing page. This landing page is where you tell people about your product or the result that your product is going to provide them to solve a certain problem. These landing pages are built in different softwares. The good one that I use is ClickFunnels. You really have to make sure that your landing page is clean, clear, and telling people exactly the outcome or the results that they will get from using your products. Number three is traffic, or people that will see your product. You have to drive traffic to this product, and driving traffic is not that easy if you don't know what you're doing. But when you know exactly how to drive traffic, it will be easy for you, and a lot of people will see this product. So these are the three main things that I think you really need to understand and make sure that you do them right, and you will be successful online. Um, I have other trainings that will teach you in details how to do all these things. And this video is just a short video to introduce myself and let you know that I'm here to help. If you like this kind of short trainings, you can like this video, subscribe to my channel so you can get more free videos. Um, and by the way, if you want to know the system that I'm using to build my online business, there is a link around this video or in the description. Click on that link. Will take you to a different page where you will put your name, best email address, and you will see the system that I'm using to build my business online. Thank you for now, and I will see you in my next training. Bye.